The Iron Manifesto. 5 Laws of Iron. We live in an age of weaponized comfort. Look around you. Men are sedated by screens, weakened by cheap dopamine, and softened by a world that demands nothing from them. The ancients warned us of this. They knew that a life without friction leads to the rot of the soul. If you are feeling lost, it is not because you are broken, it is because you are untested. Here are 5 laws to rebuild your mind from the ashes. Law number 1. Friction is growth. Neuroscience has finally caught up to Stoicism. We now know that the will is a biological structure. It only grows when you do what you do not want to do. Do not seek comfort. Comfort is a slow poison. Seek the cold. Seek the difficult. Seek the friction. If your life is easy, your mind is dying. Law number 2. Order is manufactured. The universe tends toward chaos. Entropy is the natural state of your room, your body, and your mind. If you do not actively inject force into your life, you will decay. You must become the architect of your own order. A messy life is a symptom of a messy mind. Clean the slate every single day. Law number 3. The Discipline of Assent. You are not a slave to the world. You are a slave to your judgment of it. When the world insults you, or tempts you, or hurts you, pause. Insert a gap between the stimulus and your response. In that gap lies your freedom. Do not react like an animal. Choose like a king. Law number 4. Amor Fati. Do not wish for things to be different. Do not waste your energy fighting the past. Accept it. Love it. The fire, the failure, the heartbreak, it is all fuel. Use it to forge a stronger version of yourself. What stands in the way becomes the way. Law number 5. Memento mori. You are leaving this life. The clock is not ticking, it is subtracting. Every second you waste on fear or laziness is gone forever. Death smiles at us all. All a man can do is smile back and get to work. Philosophy is useless without execution. You have heard the laws, but do you have the system to live them? We have built a tactical dossier to bridge the gap between who you are and who you could be. It is called the Iron Mind Protocol. It is not a book. It is an operational system for total self-control. If you are ready to stop consuming and start building, the link is in the description. Initialize the sequence.